Good morning, respected dignitaries, parents, well-wishers, and our dear students. We have gathered here today for the inauguration ceremony of the Postgraduate Department of Commerce, Arts and Science for the session 2020-2021. If I may quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when learning is purposeful, creativity blossoms. When creativity blossoms, thinking emanates. When thinking emanates, knowledge is fully lit. And when knowledge is lit, the economy flourishes. Like every year, this year too, we are blessed and privileged to have amongst us Reverend Father Rector Jayaraj Veluswamy, S.J., Reverend Dr. Dominic Savio, S.J., Principal, Vice Principal of Arts and Science, Professor Bertram De Silva, Vice Principal of the Department of Commerce Morning, Reverend Father Joseph Kulandai, Vice Principal of the Department of Commerce Evening and Management Studies, Reverend Father Peter Arokiam, Vice Principal of St. Xavier's College, Raghavpur Campus, Reverend Father Johnson Padiera, Vice Principal of the Department of Education, Dr. Charlotte Simpson Vegas, Dean of Commerce Morning, Dr. Amitava Roy, Dean of Science, Dr. Taupati Datta, Dean of Arts, Dr. Orgho Banerjee, Dean of Management Studies, Professor Shogoto Banerjee, Dean of Commerce Evening, Dr. Shohili Ghosh, Dean of the Postgraduate Department and the Research Department of Commerce, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Basu. We probably must never have even thought that we would be having our inaugural ceremony in this virtual manner. However, we need to come to terms with it, as this is how the days are going to unfold, and it promises to be the new normal, at least for the upcoming semester. But this should not in any way dampen our spirits, as the saying goes that every night is followed by a beautiful sunrise, and good things are yet to come. We need to be patient and trust in God's timing. This initiation will be made even more solemn with the help of a short film on inter-religious harmony. This short film will then be followed by an inaugural address led by Reverend Father Jayaraj Veluswamy, Rector.
स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Good morning, Reverend Father Principal Dr. Dominic Savio S.J., Vice Principal Arts and Science Department Professor Bertram Da Silva, Vice Principal Department of Commerce Morning Father Joseph Kulandai, Vice Principal Department of Commerce Evening and Management Studies Father Peter Arokyam S.J., Vice Principal Ragapur Campus Father Johnson Padira S.J., Vice Principal Department of Education Dr. Charlotte Simpson Vegas, Dean of Commerce Morning Dr. Amitav Rai, Dean of Science Dr. Topati Dutta, Dean of Arts Dr. Orga Banerjee, Dean of Management Studies Professor Shaugata Banerjee, Dean of Commerce Evening Dr. Soheli Ghosh, Dean of Postgraduate and Research Department of Commerce Dr. S.K. Basu, HODs of different departments, colleagues, members of the support staff, and my dear fresh Xaverians. It gives me great happiness today to welcome all of you to the inauguration of the new academic year 2020-2021 at St. Xavier's College Autonomous, Kolkata. Yes, the pandemic has delayed the starting of our academic year this year by 2 months or so. Under the normal circumstances, we would have by now covered 2 months of hectic classes and curriculum. But we thank God today that we are able to inaugurate the academic session at least now around mid-September, and more importantly, to be able to welcome our 2,600 fresh Xaverians into St. Xavier's family. We all pray that in a few weeks' time, we will be able to welcome all of you into our campus and into our classrooms. This year, 2020, marks 160 years of St. Xavier's existence as a temple of learning in the heart of Kolkata city. Yes, we look back with immense admiration and gratitude over 160 years of her dedicated service in imparting a best quality education to the youth in Bengal and in India. And today, the 15th of September, St. Xavier's College embarks upon her 161st year of service to the students' community in the city of Kolkata and beyond. Therefore, I would like to tell all our fresh Xaverians, you are very privileged to be part of this historic institution and become christened as Xaverians from now on. In the course of your journey at St. Xavier's, you will have ample opportunities to be imbued with the Xaverian spirit of how to grow into becoming men and women for others. One of the core characteristics of being Xaverian is to have an unquenchable thirst or yearning for more knowledge, more skills, more opportunities, and even more challenges. In the Jesuit language, we call it always aiming for the magis, meaning the more, and ever more. Yes, at St. Xavier's, you will be not only taught to aim for the magis, the more, but also constantly challenged by both the staff and fellow students to come out with your maximum efforts, your maximum creativity, and your maximum generosity to engage yourself in various activities, programs, seminars, and many extracurricular activities. Thus, your student life at St. Xavier's will be filled with ample opportunities to acquire more skills and more competencies. Hence, it goes without saying that one enters St. Xavier's College to be shaped by a culture of discipline, by a culture of punctuality, by a culture of dedication to one's duties, by a culture of determination to pursue excellence in everything, and a culture of collective learning and research. This is the vision and the roadmap that St. Xavier's places before you, new Xaverians, on this your first day of the academic year 2020-2021. Before I conclude my address, I like to wish Father Principal, Vice Principals, Deans, and all the faculty members and all the support staff an abundance of God's blessings as you all commit to make this year another year of great learning and great success for our students' community. I like to end with this inspiring line from Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. I slept and dreamt that life was joy. I woke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was joy. আমি নিদ্রামগ্ন হয়ে স্বপ্ন দেখলাম, জীবন হলো আনন্দ। ঘুম থেকে উঠে দেখলাম, জীবন হলো সেবা। আমি তাই করলাম আর দেখলাম, সেবা হলো আনন্দ। Nihil altra, God bless you all.
Thank you, Father, for your kind and thought-provoking address. We are indeed blessed and honored to have you amongst us today. We now request Reverend Dr. Dominic Savio, SJ Principal, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning to all of you. Respected Reverend Father Rector, Father Jayaraj Veluswamy, Vice Principal of Arts and Science, Professor Bertram Da Silva, Vice Principal of Department of Commerce Morning, Father Joseph Kolandai, Vice Principal of Department of Commerce Evening and Management Studies, Father Peter Arokyam, Vice Principal of St. Xavier's College, Rangapur Campus, Father Johnson Padiyara, Vice Principal of Department of Education, Dr. Charlotte Simpson Vegas, Dean of Commerce Morning, Dr. Amitav Roy, Dean of Science, Dr. Topati Datta, Dean of Arts, Dr. Urgo Banerjee, Dean of Management Studies, Professor Sogato Banerjee, Dean of Commerce Evening, Dr. Sogeli Ghosh, Dean of Postgraduate and Research Department of Commerce, Dr. S.K. Basu, Head of the Departments, colleagues, members of the staff, and my dear first year postgraduate students. It is my pleasant duty today as the principal of the college to extend a warm welcome to all of you to the Xaverian family and congratulate each one of you on your successful admission to St. Xavier's College. I want to highlight on this first day at St. Xavier's College a few salient characteristics at St. Xavier's College. St. Xavier's celebrates a legacy of 160 years. When we celebrated its 125th year in 1985-86, we had the visits of two great leaders, His Holiness Pope John Paul II and the then President of India, late Gyani Jail Singh. We celebrated the 150th year in January 2010, and we were privileged to have the then Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. It is one of the 53 colleges run by the Jesuits in India. A vision and mission of Xavier's flows from the charism of St. Ignatius, who founded the Society of Jesus. The charism of Ignatius is centered around two great themes. First is the inscription you would often see in pictures, books, and even buildings, AMDG, Ad Majorem Dei Gloriam. This means for the greater glory of God. Everything that we do or say, we do it for the greater glory of God, because it is He who is the creator and sustainer. The theme is what we call Magis, the greater service to the greater number of people. And so we walk in the footsteps of St. Ignatius of Loyola to render greater service to greater number of people. The motto of our college is Nihil Ultra, which means nothing beyond. For a person who wishes to learn, who wishes to grow, who wishes to be wise, and who wishes to reach out to others in love and service, there is no end. You are Xaverians from today, and you will remain Xaverian always. Once a Xaverian, always a Xaverian. This will definitely make a remarkable difference in your lives. You have got a golden opportunity to be part of this great institution. You will be walking in the footsteps of great Xaverians like Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, Sri Utpal Dutt, Sri Jyoti Basu, Dr. Siddhartha Shankar Roy, Sri Hamid Ansari, Sri Ellen Mittal, and you will hear the echoes of these men from the walls of this college. We are proud of our history. We are proud of our faculty, our alumni, and our students. As Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore has said in his autobiography, quote, I have one fond memory of St. Xavier's, the memory of its teachers, unquote. We have an excellent teaching community that makes teaching, learning meaningful. Community that stands with the institution. Community that gives its time and energy for the sake of students. A community that looks forward to serve others. With such dedicated teaching community and committed support staff, St. Xavier's will continue to climb the ladder of academic excellence and educational service to its student community. Here at St. Xavier's College, we have begun to develop the idea of a new dispensation, shaped by a new vision for the future of this college. This vision will be first be built upon the consolidation of our achievements, and only then can we safely embark on our policy of academic expansion. No longer can an academic institution rest upon its past and the laurels it has achieved. In a world where the rate of change accelerates faster and faster, we have to evolve and adapt and grow commensurate to the world around us. So the expansion we perceive will be meditated not entirely in terms of traditional academic norms. Rather, we have begun to consider new kinds of subjects and subject combinations and interdisciplinary studies. This will of course take time and initiative, but St. Xavier's has the willingness to innovate and break new ground and discover new directions, and this willingness is what sets us apart. Our difference can be discerned in numerous ways: academic quality and achievement, discipline, development of values, service to others, and so on. But for me, what really matters is the hard black and white fact that we have begun to attract the best minds from across the country. Enrollment from other states is on the rise, and this is indeed a remarkable achievement. While keeping hearing about the brain drain out of Bengal and how the best students migrate to other states, at St. Xavier's, we seem to have reversed the trend. Toppers from other states have now begun to find our college an attractive destination, and there must be good reason for this. That reason is confirmed by the ratings we have been given by national accreditation agencies. So I can submit with justifiable pride that we are indeed one of the very best institutions of higher learning in the country. This repute has not happened overnight. It has been achieved by diligent commitment to our goals and ideals and a singular purpose to remain true to our motto of nihil ultra, nothing beyond. We have already developed a culture of research and project investigation in some science departments, and to this end, we are increasing the facilities in our Central Research Facility Lab. In fact, we will now open the facility to research scholars from other institutions, because this will certainly enrich what we have already have. It is time now for other departments, and particularly the departments of arts and media, to take up research with greater motivation. In fact, there is a lot of work waiting to be done in media studies and mass communication. So I encourage students of these departments to think of innovative projects and research that might enable us to contribute to the domain of knowledge and consultancy. The foundation course at St. Xavier's College aims to give every Xaverian an opportunity to develop acceptance and appreciation of multi-religious, multicultural, and multilinguistic context of India, and to appreciate every religion and to be rooted in one's own religion. The year 2020 has been an extraordinary year which has required extraordinary responses and solutions. One has been the admission process, which was conducted entirely online, and the other is that your classes will now be entirely online. So for all of us, this is a very new and a very challenging experience which demands that we all, your college, your teachers, and you rise to the occasion and embrace the new reality and exploit the many advantages it offers. Our platform, as you all know by now, is Microsoft Teams, deliberately chosen because, as it turned out, it is the chosen software in campuses around the world. It provides us with all the features of college life, except, of course, the physical experience of being in college. But all things must pass, and I am sure that we will all return to Park Street sooner rather than later. I am sure that you are looking forward to returning to the classroom, and I too am waiting for the day when I can physically welcome you back, perhaps for another inauguration in our college auditorium. So what you joined, what is this college that you have chosen, and where you hope your dream will be fulfilled? The UGC has upgraded St. Xavier's College with the status of College of Excellence. Our college has been assessed and accredited with grade A++ with a CGPA score of 3.77 out of a scale of 4 in the third cycle of NAAC accreditation. This is the highest score of a college in the country. St. Xavier's College has been granted a college with heritage status by the UGC. It has also been assessed and certified as meeting the requirements of ISO 9001-2015 for providing higher education. I am also happy to inform you that St. Xavier's College Autonomous Kolkata has secured 7th rank in National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF 2020 published by MHRD on 11th June this year. The college is bound together by a set of values and ideals built on the Jesuit principles of equity, justice, conscience and compassion. Values and ideals which bind all the stakeholders into one bonded community. Here at St. Xavier's, we make an uncompromising commitment to excellence in teaching and learning. As new members of the Xaverian community, I call upon you to step forward and make that pledge to excellence in academic standards and achievements. Do not be daunted by the new learning conditions. In fact, I know for a fact that at your age, you must no doubt be adept and expert at online systems. And so I am convinced that you will take to the new learning platform with ease and acumen and be ready to grasp the advantages it offers. So today is going to be the start of something new and exciting. And that's why it gives me extra pleasure to welcome you. And I do so also with words of assurance that on this new platform, we make no compromise with the quality of education we impart. So rest assured, when you do finally step into the college, the transition to campus will be seamless and smooth. At the time of first introduction, it is important that I tell you about the Society of Jesus, founded more than 500 years ago by the mystic visionary St. Ignatius of Loyola. The Jesuits are an order dedicated to the greater glory of God. We affirm this dedication by our service to the welfare and the greater good of all humanity. One expression of this service is through the cause of education, and our intent in this is to train men and women in the service of others, so that each one can do their little bit to make possible a dignified and fulfilled life for every person that we come in contact with. That's why in the field of education, our preferential option is for the poor and marginalized, whom we seek to uplift to engender the process of social transformation. The living active proof of this ministry is our campus at Ragapur, 24 Parganas South, a village on the outskirts of Kolkata, where we have actually made a significant impact and difference in the lives of first generation learners who come from humble and rural backgrounds. We have nurtured great minds in the arts, sciences and commerce. The tiny tree that was planted 160 years ago has now grown into a strong and steady entity that has embraced and sheltered and given life to many generations. We have also been the seed of St. Xavier's University, which is now growing into a recognized center of research and excellence. And here in St. Xavier's College, we have a vision of the future. We have already added 5 postgraduate departments since I became principal. I have a simple roadmap for the future. All departments in time will offer programs from the undergraduate to the doctoral level. And then we'll be ready to stake our claim to be made into a university. If we must dream big. And you, my young students, are integral to this dream. And I invite you to share that dream with me and make it real. And together, we can take this college to new heights of excellence. But we have much more to offer and promise. Our notion of education is holistic and embraces not only academics, but also your character and soul. We seek to share with you the most important humanistic values which you can then take with you into your later life. Our ideal is character formation, the nurture of mind and soul. Many Xaverians have met me long after graduation to tell me that they still deeply miss the college, and if only they could come back, and that college was the best years of their life, and that they are what they are because of St. Xavier's. There must be good reason for them to remember with longing and nostalgia, and for them to acknowledge their debt to the college. It is not something you pick up consciously, for it part of the atmosphere and tradition and discipline that you breathe and imbibe in the time you spend in the college. Yes, it is, and it will be a life-changing experience. And once again, I welcome you to the greater Xaverian family. Dear students, my dear Xaverians, I want to wish you all fruitful days and years at St. Xavier's. I want you to consider from today that St. Xavier's is your college. It is our college. Let us live and grow together as one community in love and service. God bless all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Father. Your valuable insight will stay with us and take us a long way, instilling in us the virtue of emerging as men and women for others and becoming better human beings. I would now kindly request Reverend Father Peter Arokyam, S.J., Vice Principal, Department of Commerce Evening and Management Studies and Postgraduate Department of Commerce, to kindly address the students.
Reverend Father Rector, Father Jairaj Veluswamy, Principal, Dr. Dominic Savio, Father Joseph Kulandai, Vice Principal, Department of Commerce, Morning, Father Johnson Padiara, Vice Principal, Ragapur Campus, Professor Bertram da Silva, Vice Principal of Arts and Science, Dr. Charlotte Simpson Vegas, Vice Principal, Department of Education, Professor Ayan Chandra, Member Secretary, Academic Council, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Basu, Dean of MCOM, Dr. Tapati Dotto, Dean of Science, Dr. Orgo Banerjee, Dean of Arts, Dr. Amitava Roy, Dean of Commerce Morning, Dr. Soheli Ghosh, Dean of Commerce Evening, Professor Saugata Banerjee, Dean of Management Studies, heads of the departments, my esteemed colleagues and co-faculty members, supporting staff, and you, my dear postgraduate students. I extend a warm welcome to you into this temple of learning, namely St. Xavier's College. I congratulate all of you for your brilliance. You are all very intelligent, because out of more than 3,000 candidates who applied for 5 PG courses, only a 15% of you secured an admission to this prestigious institution of higher learning. Therefore, I take this opportunity to congratulate you once again, your parents, teachers, guardians, and well-wishers. You will agree with me that without their support, you would not have reached where you are today. Continue respecting them and supporting and praying for them. I am glad to tell you that some of you are from different states of our beloved country. This is wonderful, because it brings to the college a rich diversity of talents and ideas. The concept of diversity encompasses acceptance and respect. It means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences for societal prosperity. I am sure that the diversity you have brought to St. Xavier's College will go a long way in creating a safe, positive, intellectually stimulating and nurturing academic ambience for each one of us. As we begin this new academic year 2021, let the spirit of fresh beginnings and infinite possibilities follow your nascent footsteps into this institution, which would be your warm abode for the next 3 years. As Xaverians, you are a chosen one, a class apart, men and women for others. You are a Xaverian for life, for you are blessed with the power of nihil ultra, which means nothing beyond. Nothing is beyond your possibility, nothing is beyond your ability to change, to challenge even what ordinary mortals refer to as impossible. St. Xavier's, belonging to the Society of Jesus, a religious order founded by St. Ignatius of Loyola in 1540, tempering the kernel of faith and knowledge. At this cradle of wisdom, it is our duty to nurture our students to become mature and responsible beings of character who strive to better themselves every single day in every arena of society and education, who unselfishly accompany their fellow men and women, and who toil to translate their dormant dreams into success stories. For in the time that you will spend with us, you will be blessed not with mere knowledge, but with Jesuit education. Education that is aimed at turning you girls and boys into young adults, world citizens of tomorrow. Education that will not seek to cram your minds with information, but to turn you into better human beings. Education that will seek to shift your focus from on the self, from inwards to outwards, making you all men and women for others. What we are asking of you is not a charitable hand to those less fortunate than us, but greater understanding of the central value of love for all those around us, because altruism cannot be anything other than a reflection of the deep compassion that we feel for our fellow beings. Let us simply call it service motivated by love, that is seriously missing from the current society. And this void is all we ask you to lay the icing on. Rabindranath Tagore, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose, Saurav Ganguly, Lakshmi Mittal, Utpal Datto, 3 chief ministers of Bengal, and innumerable achievers have shared the space that you will occupy. They have walked the corridors that you will walk on, warmed the benches that you will sit on, used the facilities and infrastructure that the college has on offer. Xaverians, you step into mighty shoes. Tread carefully, tread with caution. For being a Xaverian is not easy. It calls for excellence in everything that you do, in every breath you take. The world looks up at Xaverians. Make sure you are tall enough to be able to hold that gaze. Dear first years, in the coming days and weeks, you will begin your discovery and learning experience. The 3 or more years you will be here will be filled with opportunities for academic and social growth. This will be the best time in your life to learn great things and ask big questions. You may never again in your life have the same amount of time to do certain things that you will be able to do here with the same amount of expert advice and concentration. Please take advantage of this time to benefit to the fullest. On our part, as St. Xavier's College, we will strive to provide you with a variety of possibilities for growth and learning. The college has indeed put in place the necessary facilities in order to facilitate your personal development and comfort, and will continue improving on this. Apart from the outstanding education you will receive, I can tell you from experience that it is the memories of the student experience that will stay with you the longest and even for the rest of your life. This experience will impact heavily on your life because you will enjoy the fruits of your good judgments if you made good choices. You will also find yourself regretting dearly because of the consequences of your bad choices or mistakes. Therefore, as the day is filled with choices, choose wisely, my dear students. Dear students, there are few things that you need to observe to make your dream of completing your college education a reality. Good conduct. Stay clear of all immoralities, vices, and all manner of bad behavior. Punctuality and attendance. Attend all your lectures on time and without fail, whether online or offline. Do your assignments promptly and submit them to your lecturers on time. Ragging in any form is strictly prohibited inside and outside, online or offline. Confidence. Don't be stressed, fooled, or covered by people or life. Walk tall despite all the challenges of life. After all, as I said, you are the best because you have made it where few make it. Friends. Make friends, socialize, meet new people, but choose your friends wisely. A true friend is the one who knows you, understands you, accepts who you are, shares in your dreams, and still allows you grow. Keep peer pressure and bad company out of your life. Lastly, keep your faith in God always. Do not turn away from spiritual practices just because you have come to college life. Trust in God to take you places that you may have never dreamt of before. With these few remarks, I once again welcome you to St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, and wish you all the best. God bless you.
Thank you, respected Father. Your kind words will help the students to survive and grow in this institution. I am sure the students present here will remember all that you have said, particularly the instructions given by you. Now, may I request Professor Bertram de Silva, Vice Principal, Department of Arts and Science, to kindly provide the necessary instructions to the students and thereafter propose the vote of thanks.
Father Rector, Father Principal, Vice Principals, Heads of Departments, faculty members, support staff, and finally, and most importantly, dear students. Some of you have come back to a college you never really left, and a very special welcome to all those who have newly joined St. Xavier's 2.0. A college that is because it exists, and isn't because it exists in the cloud. And that's why we need to juggle and balance and make all kinds of shifts and adjustments to fit ourselves into the new reality. Perhaps it's evolution into the matrix of digital being. Whatever it might be, it's strange and it's awesomely compelling. So I have good news for you. Your faculty has already begun to mutate the accumulated wealth of their experience into the new digital environment, learning to take advantage of digital resources and tap into the medium in order to enhance your classroom experience. With the almost unlimited resources of the internet ready to be integrated into the teaching, learning experience, and with classes potentially now so much more interactive, our notion and understanding of the processes, nature, and delivery of education have already begun to change. As teachers, the good news is we have begun to reinvent ourselves. As we sit at home and lecture to a silicon screen, filled with a gallery of faces that have been pent up at home for 5 months and counting, with nowhere to go, and with no one for company except Twitterati, textings, virtual companions. Not good. So it is our famous task to keep you engaged and sharp and eager and hungry on a campus that is, you will remember, because it exists, and isn't because it's up in the cloud. But it's okay, because the plan basically is to open and engage your mind, to create conversations and narratives that will change you. Because remember, what we can really do is teach you to teach yourself, teach you how to think. So welcome to St. Xavier's College, with a few necessary and very important reminders. And this is specifically for the PG Arts and Science departments. You will soon receive a mail containing your Microsoft Teams ID and one-time password, and instructions and much more will be attached. So do look out for the mail and follow exactly what is spelt out there. Now it is my special privilege to offer the vote of thanks. I turn first to the rector, Father Jayaraj Veluswamy. Thank you, Father, for presiding over this ceremony with pietistic grace, dignity, and humility, so befitting the cloth. I turn now to our principal, Father Dominic Savio, to thank him for the strength of leadership and decision with which he has steered the college through these very difficult times. I thank Father Peter for the calm and reassuring address he offered to the students, and for the unobtrusive sincerity and quiet commitment of his duties as vice principal and as treasurer of the college, and it is a very important position. Thank you, Father. I must also thank the other vice principals, Father Joseph, Father Paddiara, and Professor Charlotte Simpson. And mention must also be made of the deans, the secretary, academic council, Father Dejas, definitely, Professor Agarwal, and all the support staff from all department offices who have worked beyond the call of duty to ensure your smooth admission into St. Xavier's College, online and 2.0. A college, remember, that is and isn't. Finally, I must acknowledge with many thanks Professor Romit Bid and his team for setting up the webcast of this inauguration. I thank you all and welcome with great warmth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. With this, we conclude our inaugural ceremony. Once again, we all join in to welcome our first year batch of the postgraduate department. Thank you, one and all. We will now have a short video presentation on the history of St. Xavier's College.